This is simultaneous equation, and a situation whereby this equation is given in an objective. There is a very fast way of solving it, but if it is given in the theory part, there is also a procedure for solving it. So I will do the first method of solving it first, then later I will do the method that we will use to solve it if it is in the theory part, because in the theory part, mathematics is usually marked by the step wise. It is not actually the answer, but the step wise with which you got the answer is what gives you mark. So for example, that this question is given to you in the objective. This is the first way to solve it. Now we'll do cross multiplication. 9 times the coefficient of y here is 1. So 9 times 1 is 9. Now 3 times 1, because the coefficient of y here is 1. 3 minus 3 times 1 here is 3 over, this is coefficient of here, y here is 1, coefficient of x here is 1. So 1 times 1 is equal to 1 minus 1 times 1 is equal to 1. This is x is equal to this. So 9 minus 3, 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. This over this is 0. So x is equal to 6. Now in order to get y, you substitute the value of this x in any of this equation. So anywhere you see x, you put 6. So this is our uh, 6. We are putting it in place of this x minus y equal to 3. So this is minus y. In order to make this y positive, it will cross this other sign, then 3 will cross here. So 6 minus 3 is equal to y. So y is equal to 6 minus 3 is equal to 2. So x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 2. Now in a situation whereby this question is given to you in the theoretical part, we can solve it like this. Now this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. We can form equation 3 by making y the subject of the formula. In order to make from this equation 2, we can make y the subject of the formula to get our equation 3. So x minus 3, because this 3 is positive, when it's crossing here, it will become negative. Then when y is crossing this equal sign, it will become positive, equal to y. So it also like x minus 3, y is equal to x minus 3. So anyway, this is now equation 3. Then you cannot substitute this value of y in equation 1 in order to get x. So this is y here, this is x. So x plus the value of y is x minus 3 equal to 9. Now x plus x is equal to 2x. 2x minus 3 equal to 9. Now 2x is equal to 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. So 2x is equal to 12. So x is equal to 12 over 2, which is equal to 6, like we got earlier. Then in order to get your y, you can substitute this value of x in this third equation. So you will now get y is equal to, the value of x is 6. 6 minus 3. So y is equal to 2, which is also what we got earlier. But in this case, the steps are marked, not just the answer. So the first one we did was to get the answer very fast, whereas the second one is to follow the due step in order to get the answer. So that is how to solve simultaneous equation.